In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send remittance advice in Xero. Managing your financial transactions efficiently is crucial in keeping your business running smoothly, and sending remittance advice is an essential part of this process. So let's get started with this straightforward guide. First, ensure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, take a look at the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Purchases. Go ahead and click on Purchases. This is where you will manage all your incoming bills, tracking your payables to make sure everything is accurately documented. After selecting Purchases, you will want to focus on the Bills section. Click on the Bills option, and you should now see a comprehensive list of all your bills. This list includes both paid and unpaid bills that you have recorded, providing a full overview of your current and past financial commitments. To streamline your task and focus specifically on the bills you've already taken care of, click on the Paid tab. This view will filter your list to show only those bills that have been marked as paid. It's a handy way to quickly find the particular bill for which you need to send remittance advice. Once you're in the Paid tab, scroll through until you find the specific bill you'd like to send remittance for. Click on that paid bill to open the detailed view. This step is where you can access all relevant information related to the payment of that bill, providing transparency and detail necessary for accurate business communication. Next, within this bill's details, you'll notice a hyperlink related to the payment. Click on this payment hyperlink. It will direct you to the payment details page, offering more in-depth insights into the billing transaction you have completed. On the payment details page, your next step is to look for the Options menu. Click on Options, and from the drop-down selections, choose Send Remittance. This function allows you to send a formal acknowledgement that the payment has been processed, which is not only courteous, but also a best practice in maintaining professional relationships. Once you've selected to send remittance, a new window will prompt you to enter the recipient's email addresses. This is where you'll input the emails of those who should receive proof of payment. Additionally, there's a section for an email message where you can include any necessary notes or details. A personalized message can add a professional touch and clarify any aspects of the transaction. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully sent remittance advice via Xero. Following these steps ensures your payment processes are clear and well documented, helping maintain a smooth financial operation. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.